Are you feeling anxious about the future of work? Worried that artificial intelligence might take your job? Well, hold on a second. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to empower you. At AI for Job, we believe AI is a powerful tool that can help you work smarter, not harder. Automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more strategic thinking and creativity. Gain valuable insights. Use AI-powered analytics to understand data, identify trends, and make better decisions. Boost your skills, learn new things, and stay ahead of the curve with AI-powered training and development programs. AI is here to augment your skills, not replace them. It's about working alongside AI to become more efficient, effective, and innovative. At AI for Job, we're passionate about helping people understand and leverage the power of AI. We provide, first, informative videos to learn about the latest AI trends and how they're impacting different industries. Second, practical tips to discover how you can start using AI in your own job today. And third, inspiring stories to hear from people who are already using AI to achieve success. So, ditch the fear and embrace the future. Join the AI for Job community and learn how AI can help you make your job more fulfilling and rewarding. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and get ready to future-proof your career with AI for Job.